and today is the 13th of February on the Persian calendar. It's called Sizdah Bedar. It's kind of a big deal here in Iran. Every year on the 13th day of our New Year, Nowruz, we head out into nature, have picnics, and just enjoy the outdoor with our family and friends. It's actually a national holiday here, and people literally plan for this day. So we decided to head over to our countryside house in the village. And for Sizdah Bedar, we are going to one of our orchards to have a chill little picnic. As we are out enjoying this beautiful day for Sizdah Bedar, I couldn't help but think about how ancient and meaningful this tradition really is, and I thought I'd share a bit of its story with you. Sizdah Bedar literally means getting rid of 13, because in Persian culture the number 13 is considered unlucky. So on the 13th day of Nowruz, people leave their homes and head out into nature to avoid bad luck and invite good energy into the year ahead. This tradition goes way back to ancient Persia thousands of years ago. People believe that spending time in nature on this day helps balance our energy and connect us with the earth as we start the new year. One of the sweetest parts is when we tie blades of grass together and make a wish. It's a way of letting go of the past and manifesting something good for the future. Pretty cool, right? I'll show you more of how we celebrate throughout the day. And this right here is our delicious Ghormeh Sabzi stew. This isn't just a stew, it's basically a national treasure in Iran. We've been cooking this exact dish for over 500 years. Slow simmered herbs, tender beef or lamb, dried limes and kidney beans all coming together in the most magical way. دست بده به عمه بیا. If you ever sit at an Iranian table, chances are this is what you'll be served. And trust me, we are all completely obsessed. Every family swears their version is the best, and honestly my mom's really is. الالهام برم بچم میشونم شماره بابا We spent the whole day out in the garden until night, and honestly it was such a chill and fun time. Hope you enjoy coming along with me. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really means a lot. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.